Hello my people. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. We are back again to our channel, Igbo Dimma channel. Please, can you greet our people? Ndewo. Please, can you greet our people? Ndewo. Please, can you greet our Igbo people?
Cha-cha-cha-cha Igbo kwen.
Hey!
Cha-cha-cha-cha Igbo kwen.
Hey!
Cha-cha-cha-cha Igbo kwezone.
We greet you all, my people. We greet you. We hope you are keeping safe. Hope you are maintaining the social distance. Today we are going to present our Igbo greetings. Ekele n'asụsụ Igbo. Ekele n'asụsụ Igbo.
Zura Basuwa.
Kijk hier maar. Kan je messia? Kijk hier maar.
Fellow kite him whip him pet. White him whip him pet.
Okay? If you want to say hello or hi in Igbo, how do you say it?
Ndewo.
Ndewo. If you want to say hello or hi to someone, you say Ndewo. Okay? If you want to say how are you? How are you in Igbo? How do you say it?
Kedu ka imere?
Kedu ka imere? Kedu ka imere? How are you? Okay? How are you? Kedu ka imere? If someone comes to your house and you want to welcome the person, how do you say welcome in Igbo?
No.
No. You are welcoming the person. No means welcome means no. No. Okay? Always follow the sound. Okay? If you want to say good morning, you wake up in the morning, you see your dad or your mom or your siblings around. How do you say good morning in the morning?
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. That's good morning. Okay? Good morning. If you want to say good afternoon to someone, how do you say good afternoon to someone in Igbo?
Ehihie ọma.
Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. That's good afternoon. Okay? If you want to say good evening in Igbo, how do you say good evening in Igbo?
Mgbede ọma.
Mgbede ọma. That's evening. Evening, mgbede. Okay? If you want to say good night in Igbo, how do you say good night?
Abalị ọma.
Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma. Okay? Good night. Abalị ọma. But on day-to-day basis, we use good night as kachifo. Okay? That's day-to-day basis. If someone is going to bed, you see kachifo, good night. Kachifo, good night. The person will say
Kobo.
Kobo. Okay? Good night. Kachifo. The person will reply Kobo. If you want to say goodbye in Igbo, how do you say it?
Kodi.
Kodi. You can also use kemesia. Kodi or kemesia. Alright? Hope you are following. See you later. How do you say see you later?
Kodi mgbe ọzọ.
Kodi mgbe ọzọ. See you later. Kodi mgbe ọzọ. You are saying farewell to that person. See you. Kodi mgbe ọzọ. Okay? Hope you learned something, my people. Hope you learned something this afternoon. Parents, please practice with your children, okay? Practice always with your children. That will help them. Because when you do it constantly, believe me, you will learn this language. You will learn it. The problem is when you don't practice. Please, can you tell more to our people the advantage of speaking Igbo and hearing Igbo language?
Knowing how to speak Igbo is advantageous because when you go back to your country, you will not feel left out. Like you will know what is going on around you. You will be able to socialize. You will not be constrained in locations that you can go because of the language barrier. You can go anywhere at as you please because you know what people are going to say. You know what to say to people. You don't have to wait for your parents to go somewhere. So it's just nice.
You see, it's quite good. Any language that comes in, our children will learn it. Okay, parents, please give time to your child to learn this Igbo language. It's quite important. Language is also a barrier to our children whenever we take them back home. Please, let's use this opportunity to learn this Igbo language. Okay? See you next time. Stay well, stay tuned, and stay safe. All right? See you. Cordin. Bye.
Cordio.
Onye biri benye biri Nwanta ke soniru nnia Ofo Ndi oge bi umwake biri